Hi, this is Stephen Hickey with GIT Get Into Technology, and in this video I want to take you in and show you how to silence unknown callers that can be absolutely annoying to you throughout the day. The calls come from all over the world, so stay tuned for this video. Okay, what you want to do is sign into your phone. So just get into your phone, whatever version of iPhone that you have. You either unlock it with a passcode, or you just go in, or you slide up from the bottom. So what I want to do is take you in and show you how to silence your callers, your unknown callers. So just click on settings, wherever the settings app is on your iPhone, and it looks like the gear. You'll see the arrow pointing towards it. So just click on settings, and then once you come in here, you want to scroll down and keep going down until you see phone, and you want to click on phone where the arrow is. Click on phone, and then come in here, and if you look towards the bottom, it says call silencing and blocking contacts. Silence unknown callers. Callers from unknown numbers will be sent to voicemail and displayed on recent lists. Incoming calls will continue to ring from people in your contacts, recent outgoing calls, and Siri suggestions. So what you want to do is just click on that toggle switch to the right. It's highlighted in gray, white. Just click on it with your thumb, and then it goes green. And you are on board for now for silence unknown callers, which can be irritating and frustrating when all these calls are coming in. You don't know who they are, and I have no idea why or how they get the phone numbers and to do this. But anyways, this will enable you to silence them. And so that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to this channel and share with others. Thanks for watching. Stay connected with GIT Get Into Technology by subscribing to this channel. It's down on the right side of this video, just below. And you also want to click on the bell notification, and any new videos that are coming out, you'll be notified, and you will able to continue on with your learning. And we have new videos coming out all the time. After watching the video, scroll down and you'll see the thumbs up. Just click on the thumbs up and let us know that you liked the video. And if you want more information on GIT Get Into Technology, you can click on more, and you can scroll down here. You can find us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and you continue on. Please leave us a comment on what you thought about the video, how it helped you move forward, and what problem it solved. And you can just left click and then type your message in here and come over to the far right side and click on comment. If you have any questions regarding what you watched today, or you need help with something, please leave a question inside the comment section and we will answer it for you. So stay connected with GIT Get Into Technology. Remember to subscribe to GIT Get Into Technology and click the bell notification down below the red arrow on the right hand side, and make sure the lines are above the bell, and that will notify you of any new videos coming out and keep you up to date. And click above to watch the latest video. Thanks for watching.